Hey, turn his headphones up.
The mic, yo.
Turn his headphones up.
Y'all kidding me? Oh, you don't put me on that shit.
It's too late now. You on camera now, Nook.
Oh,
You gotta be on the remix.
I know.
Oh, you
More people on the remix.
say chow.
Always on the remix.
You don't say chow. We gave you a burger. You chow down on that though.
Ah.
Yeah.
We didn't give her a burger.
He gave her a burger.
Who bought the supplies though?
I did brought the beef and the cheese.
Man, whatever, bro. Hey, who drove you there though?
Hey, bro.
Yeah, shut it up. Okay.
It's the grace of God.
Should I put Jiffy in this?
He calling me base god
Jiffy.
now.
Let's go.
Don't fuck with you on that note.
The nigga Jake's here too.
Don't fuck with base god out. Don't fuck with that Illuminati shit, nigga.
Yeah, we ready.
Go, nigga. Nigga eating fries, getting prepared. Ah, shit. This nigga's.
I don't even know what's about to happen when it's supposed to be real.
Nigga said,
Welcome to the remix.
Oh, shit.
Welcome to the remix.
Bro, don't push me like that again, bro.
nigga almost fell to the wall.
Bruh!
Bird flew up in this. Peace on this remix. Everyone up in here. Body here. This shit. Up in the sky. It's a bird. It's a plane out. Everyone do that bird flew up, man.
He was real about it.
Fried and chicken home. You already know. For sure.
Okay, y'all need to calm down. Okay.
Okay, check it out. Everywhere I go, there's birds around me. Everywhere I go, hey, on my G's. Not joking now.
I should have
I been trying to cover my face up and not laugh. This motherfucker put it in there. This motherfucker behind with a bag of chicken laughing. I can't do that but laugh. Sarah like bless his heart. Look
About to
at
start
him.
washing here.
Hey,
We don't cook them when we wash.
clean.
Once
Clean.
you come a dance.